Well, we're parked for the night. Milo, the way the light is, it looks like you're on the outside of the truck. I've been waiting for her, either for it to get dark or for her to lose interest. We're at a rest area. Oh my god, my windshield's filthy. But there's been birds, robins mostly, out there. And she's been laying there very enthralled with the birds. Haven't you? Watching the birds. I hate to interrupt her. I need to put the curtains up so I can get ready for bed. It's 8:30. I'm tired and about ready to get ready for bed, but somebody's really enjoying the birds. So put the curtains up, she won't be able to see them. There's a, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I don't know, there's water over there. Behind those bushes, there's a little pond. And so she's laying there. Just looking out to see if I can see out the other window. I can't. She's laying there watching all those birds, and they're just coming back and forth from that pond. She's having a really good time. So I may be stuck waiting for dark to put up my curtains because she really wants to watch the birds. I have like one of those foil looking silver window heat blocker things, and once I put it up she can't get behind it. Intently watching them. I don't see which one she sees this time, but she sees something over there. A little bit longer, Milo, and then we're gonna have to put up the curtain, baby.